Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login Eat. In this video, I will guide you on how to record a swim on Strava. So if you also want to record a swim on Strava, this video is just for you. Follow the simple steps and you'll be able to do it. So first of all, launch open Strava application. Make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're logged into your account, you can see over here, you'll be led to this kind of interface. At the bottom, you'll be able to see several icons. You can see icons for home, maps, record, groups, and you. All you have to do is tap on the record option that is at the center. Now you can see over here, you'll be led to this kind of interface. You can see start button over here, and just above it, you'll be able to see several icons. All you have to do is tap on the second icon, and now you'll be able to choose a sport. Scroll down. Under the water sports, you can see the option for swim. All you have to do is tap on it. You can see over here, I've already selected it. Now after that, tap on the start button that you can see at the bottom. Now you'll be able to record a swim. If you want to stop recording, simply tap on the stop button that you can see at the bottom. So that is how you record a swim on Strava. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.